Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Fundable. In this Fundable review, I'll delve into my personal experience using this platform, which connects entrepreneurs seeking funding with potential investors. Fundable is primarily geared towards startups and small businesses seeking investment, whether through equity crowdfunding, debt financing, or other avenues. This versatile platform offers entrepreneurs multiple fundraising options, presenting a valuable alternative to traditional venture capital and making it an attractive option for those seeking diverse funding sources. One of Fundable's most compelling features is its dual approach to fundraising. You can opt for equity crowdfunding, where investors gain an ownership stake in your company, or debt crowdfunding, where investors provide loans with the expectation of repayment. This flexibility allows business owners to tailor their fundraising strategy to their specific requirements and long-term objectives. Fundable's broad reach extends to a diverse pool of potential investors, encompassing both accredited and non-accredited individuals, significantly boosting the likelihood of securing the necessary funding. Fundable also empowers users to create highly customizable fundraising campaigns. You can personalize your pitch, establish specific funding targets, and offer enticing rewards or incentives to attract investors. The platform's robust analytics provide invaluable insights into your campaign's performance, allowing you to adapt and refine your strategy as needed. Furthermore, Fundable offers comprehensive support, including access to mentors, resources, and expert guidance to bolster your fundraising efforts. While Fundable presents a powerful platform for startups seeking funding, it's crucial to be aware of certain considerations. There are fees associated with the service, particularly for those pursuing equity investments. Additionally, the platform's success rate can fluctuate based on factors such as your industry and the compelling nature of your pitch. However, for businesses with a strong value proposition and a well-crafted pitch, Fundable provides a viable pathway to access capital from a diverse investor network. In summary, Fundable stands out as a valuable platform for entrepreneurs looking to raise capital through equity or debt crowdfunding. Its flexibility, user-friendly interface, and access to a broad investor base make it a compelling choice for startups and growing businesses. Be sure to explore the links in the description to determine if Fundable aligns with your specific business needs.